हाय एंड वेलकम टू माय शो खबरदार नेगेटिविटी से। और आप खबरदार रहिए फेक न्यूज़ से भी। मेरा नाम साधना सिंह है और आप जैसा कि मैंने बताया जुड़ चुके हैं मेरे प्रोग्राम खबरदार नेगेटिविटी से। आज बारी है हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ सेक्शन की और इसमें हम बात करेंगे वो 7 चीज़ों के बारे में जो आपको खुशनुमा रखती है, जिसके बारे में आपको बिल्कुल भी वरी नहीं करना चाहिए। मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से, कुछ रिसर्च वर्क से, लोगों से बातें करके ये 7 पॉइंट्स ब्रीफली मैं लेके आई हूँ विच शुड नॉट वरी यू एज यू गेट ओल्डर। जैसे जैसे आपकी एज बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे आप ज़्यादा समझदार हो जाते हैं, आप मैच्योर हो जाते हैं। सो यू शुड स्टॉप वरिंग लेस। तो चलिए देखते हैं ये कौन सी 7 चीज़ें हैं विच शुड नॉट वरी यू, एंड इफ़ यू आर वरिंग then stop right here right now। ठीक है, तो पहली चीज, what people are talking about, I mean what they're saying about you should never worry about that। stop worrying about other people's opinion। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। so please don't bother what people are talking about you, what people are saying about you, about your work, about yourself, about your nature, about your body, about your looks, anything. That's their business. That's their opinion, not yours। You should have a good opinion about yourself। After all, इतने साल गुजारने के बाद जब आप मैच्योर होते हैं तो you have a right to like yourself, right? And you should not care what other people think about you। Stop bothering। That's their business, not yours। What they think about is definitely their business, not yours। So from today, from now, stop worrying about what people think about you। Believe me, you'll be in a happier space, you'll have a mental peace, and you'll start liking yourself more। Second thing, stop worrying about how you look, about your body, about the food you eat। Stop giving that so much importance to them, because overall you should be healthy। That's more important than how you're looking, slim, trim। Of course, once you improve your health, you'll automatically look good। So stop worrying about being hyper about your food। Take nutritious food, eat a lot of vegetables, fruit। सबको पता है कि ये सब थोड़ा फैट, थोड़ा प्रोटीन, थोड़ा कार्ब्स, सब कुछ खाना चाहिए, बैलेंस्ड होना। एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट इट, बट डोंट वरी अबाउट इट इंस्टेंटली कि you're going hyper about it। No, just food है। they're saying that you live for food or you take food to live। so it should be the other way around। take food to live, not live to eat food। so as you mature, you realize that value। of course I'm a foodie and I love food, but then yes, I have stopped stressing about it। so you do too। body and food, try exercising, include a lot of exercises in your routine। if you don't feel like running, go for a walk। if you don't feel like walking, do yoga, do strength, whatever you like। I mean any form of exercise। if you don't like exercising alone, include a partner, include people, go and enroll yourself in a group, enjoy yourself, dance your way around। that's a good exercise। do anything to keep yourself fit, to keep you occupied at least every day। that's number 2। stop worrying about food and stop worrying about your body, and you realize that you're more happy। Third, don't worry about pleasing everyone। there's a saying that you cannot please everyone। सबको नहीं खुश कर सकते आप। इस दुनिया में कोई ना कोई तो आपको आप में नुक्स निकालेगा। अगर आप मोनालिसा की एक पेंटिंग रख दो और आस्क सम क्रिटिक टू टेक आउट फॉल्ट, वो उसमें भी निकाल देंगे. तो स्टॉप प्लीजिंग पीपल. फर्स्ट प्लीज योर सेल्फ, then worry about others. Of course, I don't say that you start hurting people. No, just don't give so much of importance to other people's opinion, that they're not liking me, they're not doing this, they're not like, stop doing that. And I'm sure everybody does that. By the time they get mature, they stop pleasing others, pleasing your boss, pleasing your colleagues, pleasing your friends. You do your own stuff. If they like you, they'll genuinely be with you. If they like your stuff, they'll genuinely praise you. But don't just get into hyper situation that, oh my God, they're not talking good about me, and worrying all the time that, oh, are they thinking good about me? If you don't like it, just say it bluntly. Sorry, I don't like that. You don't need to please everybody. You need to be yourself, your own self, wherein you do your stuff, put in your 100%. In your workplace also, put in your 100%, give in your best, and then automatically, after so much of experience, I'm sure you'll come up with good work. People will praise you automatically. But going out of your way to please somebody is not the right thing. Talking about praise, don't even fourth point I would say is that don't get worried when your children or your child doesn't like you, he criticizes you, he talks bad about something. That's what children are. As they grow old, they realize your importance, or if they don't appreciate your work, the hard work you put in for them, the work you're doing for them. They are children. They're not necessarily they'll appreciate it, but as they get older, they will do that. When I was a teenager, I was a very rebel child. So बहुत सारी बातें मैं बहुत आगे करती थी. I used to argue with my father a lot, and I used to tell him कि नहीं ये सही नहीं है, ये नहीं है. Now I realize how foolish I was. So with time they'll also realize, our children will realize that yes, what they said was not right. But you worrying yourself into it, I mean कि वो आपको आपकी हर बात पे जवाब देते हैं या आपको पसंद नहीं करते हैं. I mean, I've seen a lot of mothers worrying their head out on that issue that oh बच्चा सुनता नहीं है, बच्चा पता नहीं क्या जवाब देता है. Give them a break, and you worry about yourself, about keeping yourself fit, keeping yourself happy. Then only you can keep others happy. Fifth point, you should not be scared of making mistakes, because you've reached out. Nobody is perfect. Perfection is just an illusion, as I say. And if you're making mistakes and if you're owning it up, I think there's nothing wrong. That doesn't really make you imperfect. That doesn't make you any day less important or less of a human being. So if you're making mistakes, that's fine. Own it up and correct it. That's it. People appreciate if you if you're making mistakes and you're owning it up. People actually appreciate honest people. I've seen that in life. So try not make mistakes, but in case you make mistakes, then you don't need to kind of stress over it. Galti ho gayi, forget it. Just rectify it and move on. Sixth point is that worry and fear, these two things, they don't resolve any issue. The problem है उसके ऊपर worry करने से, उसके ऊपर डरने से, I think it makes it more prominent. So worry and fear have never resolved any issue. So you should stop worrying. You should stop being scared. आप यू पुट इन योर 100%, आप उसमें डालिए और आप आप देखिए कि व्हाट बेस्ट यू कैन डू, व्हाट एफर्ट्स यू कैन मेक. एंड अगर नहीं तब भी होता है, लीव इट, जस्ट लीव इट, लीव समथिंग फॉर गॉड ऑल्सो. लीव इट, मूव ऑन. अपने आप ही कई बार ठीक हो जाती हैं चीज़ें, नहीं होती है तो गिव गो टू अ डिफरेंट पाथ, चेंज योर वेज. और एक क्लास था, गेटिंग चेक क्या था वो, कि हाँ, स्पीकिंग योर माइंड ऑफ. 7th was speaking your mind off. If you have an opinion about something, you should not be scared of speaking off. वो क्या बोलेगा, वो क्या कहेगा. अरे, it's your opinion. That's what you think. I think you're mature enough to form your own opinion. Of course, in the process, you should not be hurting people, and you should not be criticizing others. It's your opinion. For example, you like pizza, and the other person doesn't like it. Fine, that's his choice. Pizza is your choice. So you can't be saying कि उसको पिज़्ज़ा पसंद नहीं है तो he can't be my friend, वो गलत है. I mean, everybody has an opinion about something, on a subject, different opinion. Everybody is made differently, so nothing wrong in it. Just because the other person has a different opinion, that doesn't mean he or she is wrong. She may be right in her own perspective. I may be right in my own perspective. So difference of opinion does not mean that somebody is right or somebody is wrong, or somebody is wrong, somebody is right. No, सबकी situation अलग होती है, सबकी upbringing अलग होती है, सबके thought process अलग होते हैं. Everybody has a different liking. In my own family, we are 3 of us. We'll have a different choice. My brothers, sisters, all my brothers, sisters, we love each other. But ज़रूरी नहीं है we like the same things. My brothers might like something different, my sister might like something different. So ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप just because you love each other, you care for each other, so you have the same kind of thought process also, you have the same kind of hobbies also, you have the same kind of liking. ज़्यादातर हो सकता है, but this is also possible कि नहीं भी हो सकता है. So that should not make you unhappy. Because happiness is something which is the ultimate goal of everything. You earn money to make yourself happy, you eat good food to make yourself happy, you go and sit in the nature to make yourself happy, you play with your children to make yourself happy, you're with your partner to make yourself happy. So ultimate goal for everything is happiness. So why not be happy all the time? Just remove the negativity, go towards the positive. Sometimes things might work out, sometimes things might not work out, but you can just move on and still be happy. Even in the worst circumstances, you can be happy. The best way to make yourself happy is do your own stuff. For example, if you like singing, start singing. Don't care about people कि वो क्या कहेंगे, वो क्या करेंगे, why should I, how will I do it. No, just go ahead and do it. Like dancing, go ahead, do it. There's no age for it कि अभी नहीं, अभी क्या करूँगी. No, there's no age for anything. You can start anytime with a mental peace, with happiness, if it gives you happiness. So that's it. These were the 7 things जिसके बारे में आपको बिल्कुल भी वरी नहीं करना चाहिए. ये 7 चीज़ें जो मैंने आपको बताई हैं. जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हैं, आपकी उम्र बढ़ती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसके लिए फ्री हो जाते हैं, बट ये सब चीज़ें आप बिल्कुल भी वरी नहीं करते हैं. ये 7 चीज़ें जो है, एंड दैट विल कीप यू मेंटली फिट, फिजिकली फिट, and of course make you feel happy, give you that high which you need in life to be happy. कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए होता है आपको लाइफ में to occupy yourself and to make yourself happy. So to be in that happy space, you need to identify those things which makes you happy. So I hope you like this program, and I hope you like these 7 tips which I gave you. Comment box में लिखिएगा कैसा लगा आपको. Thank you for watching me again and again. 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे हो गए हैं, so thank you very much for that. धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहे हैं, so सब्सक्राइब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो. Thank you. Love you all. Take care. Stay home, stay safe and stay fit. Bye bye. Ciao.